Hi everyone, I'm Millie and this is?
Hello.
Okay, and today we are going to prepare some tofu. Lots of people have been requesting me to show them on video, so this is how we prepare tofu. So the tofu I'm starting off with is firm tofu. This is about maybe $3. You can find this in Woolworths or Coles or Aldi. Okay, so it comes in a block. Okay, so this is slightly different, slightly larger block. So what you can do, you can slice it into large or thin slices depending on what you're cooking. Okay, or you can cut it into blocks if you are going to make curries. Now the healthiest and the easiest way to prepare this is to stick it in an air fryer, because other recipes they ask you to put some oil in a pan and fry it that way. I find that the tofu sticks to the pan and it gets very oily. I don't like my tofu very oily, and sometimes some recipes ask us to put it in the oven and the oven takes a long time. So this is the easiest way to do it, is to stick it in an air fryer. Anna's just cut some into cubes, okay, and you can just put it straight into an air fryer. And also when you're deciding to become a vegan or vegetarian, a good investment is on an air fryer. And what I tend to do, I just put some baking paper down the bottom of an air fryer, just because I don't like my food touching the pan itself. Okay, so are we almost done? Okay, so she's going to make some strips as well. Okay, so just don't put the whole thing in, so make sure it just sits along the bottom of the air fryer, and make sure after about 5 minutes, turn it over so the other side is cooked as well. Okay, so about 5 minutes on each side, and it should be nice and firm. Okay, so here's some examples that we did earlier. So here's some strips. So what we're going to do with that, we could marinate it and maybe put it into some burgers or stir fry, cut it thinner for stir fries. And here's some cubed tofu. The cubed one, you can put it into soups. You can put it into, what else can we do with it? Into curries as well. Okay, so it's nice. Tofu is quite nice and lots of protein, and it's pretty much bland. So whatever you mix it with, make sure you put lots of fresh herbs, some spices if you like, and it's going to just absorb all of that flavor. Okay, and it's quite versatile as well. So with this particular tofu, we make quiches out of these, we make our filling for our sausage rolls, and we make meatballs out of these as well. But you do need to add other things to it. Okay, so that's some easy ways to prepare tofu.
And sometimes you can do it half.
A half? Okay. Yep, and we can do that as well. If we're going out on a picnic, you can put it in a skewer with some vegetables, and there you go, some kebab sticks. Okay, see you later.